Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the custom button assignments on your PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller. So if you want to go ahead and remap the back button or maybe even do other buttons on it, well, it's very easy to do. So if I go to the home screen on my PlayStation 5 right now, I want to go up to Settings and select this. Then scroll on down and we want to go to where it says Accessories. So here's Accessories. Now we can go on down to where it says DualSense Edge wireless controller. Then we can go to the right and we can go to where it says custom profiles. Now under here, we can go to assign profiles. If we already have a profile made, we can just simply go to it. You can see the different custom button assignments I have on. Then also I changed the response rate for the different thumbsticks. So we want to go over to unassigned profiles right here. If we have an unassigned profile, we can select it. Otherwise, we can go to create custom profile. So let's go to profile number 3 for me. Go to OK. And then we can go to custom profile assignments right here, or button assignments on the top. And then we can choose the button under here. So we got like L2, L1. We even have the option to change the share button. So if we want to change that around, the left thumbstick, if we click that in, we even have the option to change the PlayStation button and the touchpad. So on the normal PlayStation 5 controller, we don't have that option. Then here's the two back paddles right here. So let's go to like X for that one and then O for this one. So that's jump and crouch typically in most of the games. And we can go to apply. And then we have stick sensitivity. We can change the like the sensitivity curve or the response rate for that. Then the dead zones. Here's the trigger, dead zones for your triggers. Now we can back out. And this is going to be under the unassigned profile. We want to go ahead and make this an assigned profile. So we want to go over to assign profile right here. And then go to this button. And then assign other profile. And here's my profile 3. So I have 3 different profiles on here. And we can switch back and forth between these really easy. So you have to press the FN button and then the corresponding face button. So let's press FN plus X. And I switched on over to profile 2, FN plus square. Here's my new profile 3. And then I can return to default with triangle. So if you don't know where the FN button is, this is really easy to find. The FN button is located right here on your controller. So just press FN and this little window will pop open on your PlayStation 5. So this will pop open. Then press the corresponding button. And then you can go ahead and just change it. So if you are playing like Call of Duty, you can have profile 1 set up a specific way with your back paddles. Then maybe if you switch on over to Elden Ring or something like that, well, you can have completely different button assignments under here. So maybe you want, I don't know, triangle to be one of your back buttons, etc. So you can easily just switch between everything. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.